Talk to me, man. You probably. Hello. You introduce me yet past them. You know what I'm up.
Actually, Papa meet this one as China. So first time come here, PNG. I'm calling Mama Miko, this loose cabe Mama. Say, Papa one time Mama meet her. No, sabi this what I really time. How meet this type China, Papa calling Mama one time. Me foul to follow me straight scala. Papa why Papa break a me foul. Me can't namelo who side. So this really foul that I'm making. Me so China, Sambla, Gupla, Lopla time through. Come PNG first time. So Mama calling on take out looking so family playing the power of PNG family looking at Kupla to do. Kupla. So me too first time. Now not Sabelli topic senior China, this is a best. So ni how that come on, I come on gan in Chunga. Naman kaung if the Chukon.
Nah, you come stop lo again story lili lo wabek story lili lo wabek you come stop lo wabek na you line is sampa to place la tuo.
I'm the roof. You talk you rad. Brother Lomina, you come straight now. The land of Lovega, what number like I'm for number Surunga, you come in.
Yeah.
I know some you come all brother family number Lohanadu, you shall number again or what I'm doing by quality. Like I fashion about all fashion long Cora and giving Coca Maya fan, little like number now, sharing white movement about the enter room, Miss Logan number all is stone and Bacarab head up or back all in those. I am fashion 1 to 2 make him number lots of making butter. Woodland fashion number there, you think him at least young guy while boy, some more Lilla number I'm bless up.
Na you can stop almost time lo wabek again story lili lo again. You can stop how long you plan stop lap na.
Agi number blur me betoke and did like kind of fiction seven the Lukamugan. Kamusin about it. Engine number only be like I'm passing about this Akam Kokam kind of number na. Miss making it like I'm passing it through. But kind of you belong good brother, Mr. If a Cora you list up and 1 and 2 to make it like a rascal. I can meet them bureau it Baratam
So you go outside America history lili you plan stop how long American na ka?
I've been to America for almost 8 years and my parents here for it was my privilege when I first here in Papua New Guinea, and I saw places, the climate of the nature of the country, and I saw people, and it's very beautiful. So for my case here, I could, indescribable the way people behave. So I could let through first time when we come here, the country way, time all trying to adapt to some kind of literary custom of Papua New Guinea. Yeah, but it's not really yet. Me try illegally come these too far, but there's so many long way for me to adapt it in Papua New Guinea culture because I do love so much. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.